whether this thing is catching up. So I've attached this Arduino Uno. Yeah, we are going to program it now. I've shown you. I just put the USB cable connected here, and then down there you can see I've connected to the laptop. So we are going to program it to do what you want it to do. So hello guys, welcome back to my channel, the new year 2024. I go by the name Victoria on YouTube, and today I'm going to show you how Arduino works. I hope you don't mind not seeing my face, but you're seeing the back of that machine, the computer itself, and the Arduino board that I've connected here. This is a USB I've connected to this port of the Arduino, and down there I've shown you I've connected to the computer. So we are going to program this thing, and I've shown you how to download. First you have to download the Arduino. You go to Google Chrome, download it, install it in your computer, then launch it, start it, and then it will bring you the screen where you're gonna do the programming. So here now I'm gonna first of all go to File. Yeah, so let me see. I think you can see clearly. You go to File, go to Examples there, where I'm pointing the cursor, then go to Basics, where again I'm pointing the cursor, then go to Bare Minimum there. Okay, you hit it. So we're already having this thing running here. You see, it's coming on. And then there is it. That is it. It has come. And now here we're gonna go to Tools to install the board, so that they know there are several boards, so you have to be specific which board you are dealing with here. So here I think the computer is a bit slow. Okay, here Tools, I got V Tools, and under Tools I've gone to the board where I'm pointing my cursor, and the board I've gone to Arduino, versions of Arduinos. So it brings me something like this, and I'm going to go to Uno up there where I'm pointing the cursor. I hit that one, and then now the board is also connected. From here we are going to just program this thing. We have void setup. This code runs only once, and here they are told you put your setup code here to run once, here where I'm pointing my finger. So here we come there. Let's go to the end of this. You can as well erase this message, but there's no need. You just do like this and press enter. You come there, access that point in your computer, and then write caps lock lowercase pin, then M, write in uppercase M, then mod. The rest is you can see pin mod. Pin is in lowercase, M is in uppercase, ODE is in lowercase, only M is in uppercase. Pin mod. Then you put the parentheses. You put the parentheses. I'm trying to make it very clear, guys. Oh man, what came over here? I don't know. Something has just come up. I don't know what it was. Can you see it? Pin mod. Right. It's a big deal here to make this video because of the logistics complications here and there. This is a pin mod here. Now within the pin mod, I'm going to show which pin I'm going to highlight. This Arduino has 13 pins on the digital side. Here you can, where the light LEDs are blinking. Let me see. I can demonstrate here. It starts 0 up to 13 up here. So here, this pin 13 is already connected to these LEDs which are blinking here. Okay, so this is what we're gonna deal with, the pin 13, which is an output pin. So we are going to indicate here when we are programming. We are going to show that we are on pin 13, 1, 3. Okay, I've written it there. Put a comma, and in uppercase write output, because we are sending a signal there we are going to have an output, and always remember to put a semicolon there. This code will run only once. Here it's indicated here that it runs only once. Now from there you'll be amazed how simple it is to do this work. There are just two codes running here, nothing more. Actually, it's one of the easiest things you can ever do in programming, is to just program a microcontroller. Here you go. Now down there you are going to do, now what are you going to do? Here is the loop. So you are going to write digital, because these are digital where the pins have shown you, they are digital. There you are going to write W in uppercase and then the rest in lowercase, write like that. So I just written it there, guys. I think you're seeing it clearly. I don't know how I can bend it. Okay, you see digital write. Then I'm going to put the parentheses there. I'm going to write 13 pin 13 comma, and what do you want this pin to do? It's going to be high because it's an output, so we're going to have I, right? So I, you write it in uppercase I. Guys, the camera will have to move around because there's no otherwise. Okay, I put it like this. I put a column, and if it's high, what else do you want? You also want it to be low. Okay, so I've shown you high here. I'm holding it very close to the computer so that you can be able to see. They are tracking there, but you can see this where my finger is pointing. This digital write 13 pin 13, which I showed you high in the Arduino. It starts 0 up to 13. 13 is the pin that is connected where the LEDs are blinking. So again, come down, write digital. Oh, yeah, put in uppercase, sorry. It has to be in lowercase. Digital. Right. Yeah, now you are telling the microcontroller to obey these things, these commands you are giving. You are commanding it to do this work. So you put the parentheses. These things are called parentheses for those who don't know. And you write pin 13. Okay, put a comma there. And what next? If you put high, then what is next? You're gonna put low. So it's gonna be on and off, right? Okay, done. You're going to put a column. Now you have done this. So we are going to upload this to this thing. Let me show you. We're going to upload it to this thing now. Already we have written the code. The code is this one I've shown you. Very clear. I've shown you this. Okay, this is a code. Sorry, stroking. This is a code. I've written it here with you. So I'm going to upload it by hitting that arrow, which is pointing to the right. And then you'll watch what happens here. In this, you can see it's blinking. When the lower button is blinking, watch what happens after I hit upload. Okay, because I'm having I have to deal with just two hands only, guys. Oh man, I've only two hands. I don't know how to do this. Come on, I'm trying guys, I'm trying. So I'm pointing my cursor here. You see, you have seen here where I'm pointing. I'm going to hit this button and watch what happens to the Arduino. Just watch the Arduino. Okay, let's go. Compiling, done. Oh, there's a mistake, failed to upload. I don't know why. Sketch, program storage space, maximum is this. Global variable, upload error, failed to upload, no upload, port provider, sorry. Now, look, there is a mistake. We didn't provide the port. So I think we'll go here where I'm pointing my cursor to. Let me search it, then I'll let you know right now. Yeah, which COM is this? So we have to find the port. Let's go to the examples and basics, minimum. That we have already done, the minimum. Let's see. And then we have the port. Guys, I'm trying to find the port. It's showing 10 here, but I think it should be select the other board port. Let's see if you can have COM3. Let's write COM3. COM3, the one that we really want. COM10 serial port. No board with this kind of thing. So let's select 10 and we see what happens. Select both a board and a port if you want to upload a sketch. Board is a Arduino Uno. Sorry, these technicalities was not quite obvious to me when I was in the caps lock is on. I wonder that the computer is not even writing what happened here. Okay, let's write just Arduino Uno. There is board you want. Arduino Uno is here. Then let's search it. Okay, it's written OK button here. And then we want the port. I don't know why they're putting port 10 because I'd seen port 3. Let's try again. We'll see whether it will upload. And pin mode. Pin mode. I've already shown you, I'm repeating this code. Pin mode because of what actually has happened. Comma. Write output in capital letters. Output like that. And then put the column. When it shows you orange, it means that the code is right. And it shows you this like this one. If it's not right, it will not show orange. So here we're going to do digital write. Digital. And then write. Okay, we are going to write the code here. Digital write. And we are going to indicate this is a pin 13 that is connected. And it's going to be high because it's an output. So we'll have it high. Okay, and we put the column here. I've already written this code, so I'm repeating it. So I hope you don't mind. I'm going to show you just in a minute what I mean. Just stay on. Tune in. Digital write. Again, pin 13. Low. Okay. Slow. Put a column. So I just repeated this code. Hopefully it's gonna work. Otherwise we'll have to go and look for the COM itself because COM3 is not seem to be here. I don't know where this discrepancy is. Let's try to upload again. I'm holding this. I have to keep the two hands balancing everything around. Oh man, come on, here we go. We're working the microcontroller at Mega 328. This lower button is blinking and I'm going to upload with this button here. Let's try and see again. Compiling sketch is writing there. Done compiling. Okay, it has worked. You see what happened? This thing changed. The one that was blinking. It means now we are communicating. Yeah, success. It has changed to dim, very dim. Now what's going on here is because my computer moves so fast, you cannot be able to see with your naked eye. So we're going to delay these things so that you'll be able to see. Okay, you watch the Arduino itself, and I'm going to delay so that you'll be able to see the effect. I hope you saw. Or can I repeat it again so that you see? Okay, let's go on. I think there's no need to repeat. Delay, because I repeat this video again. Delay, let's say 1000, or maybe say, okay, 1000 milliseconds. Delay it for 1 second, that is. We see whether you'll be able to see it for high and for low also. Let's go, come here for low. Delay, delay, let's say, okay, 100 or maybe 200, let's say 200 milliseconds. So let's see what happens. You watch the Arduino, you watch this thing. Well, can I point it, guys? This, watch what happens here to the LED as I upload. I'm uploading using this button here, this one in the laptop here, computer. Now watch what happens. Okay, watch the microcontroller. There we go, there we go. Okay, you saw what happened? You see? You see? You see? Now it's blinking. We have given it on, off, on, off, on, off, on, off, because one we are given delay for 200 milliseconds, the other one we are given for 1000 milliseconds, the one up. So it's on, off. The LED is blinking here, guys. Okay. Yeah, now you can play around with this, with the delay, and you can see that it's Arduino is very well obeying what you are telling it. Let's change this 1 second. Let's change this to 500 maybe, or 600. Okay, let's say 600. Let's change it to 700. Let's do one thing. Let's put the upper one to 100 milliseconds. Oh, come on, what did I write? 100, yeah, right? 100 milliseconds. You watch the Arduino. First of all, we are writing the code. Maybe you are not seeing the code. What can I do, guys? What can I do to help you see this? Okay, there you see I'm programming. There is where we have in the loop here. This is where we are running the repeated code. This one only ran once. So here I'm now changing the values. Digital high to 100 milliseconds and digital low to 1000. Okay, so let's see. I have to keep one. Come on. Okay, let me bring the arrow down and take it across and write it 1, then add a 0. Okay, now we have reversed it. We are going to have a short duration delay when it's high, and a longer duration delay when it's low, and see what happens to the Arduino. Oh, I'm putting the opposite down, man. This thing can get damaged. So yeah, man. So you watch what happens. Now it's blinking. You can see it's blinking according to the instruction you gave. So watch the Arduino. Watch this thing. Yeah. How can I show it? Watch this. What really happens next? Watch to this light. This one that is blinking. You watch as I upload this. I'm uploading. 1, 2, 3. I hit the upload button. You watch. You see? You see? You see? You see? Off on, off on, off on, off on. Off is very fast. On is longer. Now you can tamper with these things whichever way you want to delay so that you can see. So finally we can put 1,000 so that the whole idea was to make the LED blink. And now I put 1,000. I'm going to hit upload again. See, now it's quicker. You see, like a plane. You see when the plane is landing, you see that LED light, how it goes off like this. It's blinking like this faster because it's delayed. In how many milliseconds, that one you have to program it. So here we go again. Now I'm putting it equal. You will see the difference again. There we go. Okay. Now you see it's blinking normal because it's 1,000 high, 1,000 low. It's now slow. It has slowed down in blinking. You can see now. So I've been able to demonstrate to you how these LEDs can blink fast, slow. You can even put 50-50 and see. If you change the delay, the amount of time it will delay, you'll be able to see the difference in this microcontroller at Mega 328 Arduino Uno. And it's a very, very big deal, you know. It's not a small deal because this is something you can use to configure to do nearly everything. It's an open source hardware and also open source software. So you can send messages, notification, you can connect to your mobile, you can use it to activate motors. It has several variety of uses. And this is what I wanted to show you today. I hope you got it. So first of all, in summary, you have to download the software itself, which you are seeing there on the screen. You have to download the Arduino software into your computer. Once it's there, you have to launch it, and then it will bring you the screen there. I've shown you what to do in order to reach where we are, and then you run the code the way we have done, guys. Okay, this is just the beginning. Today I wanted to introduce you Arduino. We are going to use this Arduino to do many things. This is the LED blinking here, but it's the same. Like we could actually use it to start a motor, to send messages, to switch off lights, to send a notification and so on. Today we just used it to blink the LED, which is blinking. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Maybe I should turn my camera this way so that you see my face, because I don't want to switch it on and off. I don't know from what distance I have to put it for you to see me. I'm not seeing myself because I've just turned the other way around, but all in all, this is what I wanted to show you guys. Stay tuned, guys. I want to bring you good stuff. This 2024 is going to be a great year. I want to bring you so many good things. You stay learned in this channel, guys, and stay tuned for the next video on Arduino series that I'm going to start. And actually I have not ended here. I'm going to show you practically how you can use it to send messages and other things. Bye from me today. See you again later in the next video. Bye. Bye from me, Victor Oya. Those are the names I use in YouTube. And you can access my YouTube channel. If you write Victor Oya on YouTube, you'll see my channel. Very good channel. There are so many videos there which are very educative, and you'll be able to go through them, and I'm sure you'll gain a lot from them. Okay, bye from me. Bye.